Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Agate Falls is one of the most scenic natural landmarks in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, located along the middle branch of the Ontonagon River. It sits just south of the small community of Trout Creek along M28. Unlike a town or city, Agate Falls does not have a permanent population, but it draws a steady stream of visitors who come to experience its powerful flow and rugged surroundings. The falls drop roughly 40 feet over a series of rocky ledges, creating a wide, cascading display that is especially striking after heavy rains or during spring runoff. The name Agate Falls comes from the semi-precious stones that were once commonly found in the area. In the 19th century, the Upper Peninsula saw increased interest from prospectors and geologists, many of whom were drawn by reports of copper, iron, and other minerals. While Agate Falls itself was not a major mining site, the surrounding region played an important role in Michigan's mining history. During this time, access to remote natural areas like this one was limited, and the falls remained largely untouched compared to more industrialized parts of the region. By the early 20th century, improvements in transportation made the falls more accessible. A highway bridge was constructed nearby, allowing travelers to stop and view the river from above. Over time, safety concerns led to the bridge being closed to vehicles and later repurposed as a pedestrian walkway. Today, that bridge provides one of the best vantage points for viewing the falls, along with a network of trails and viewing platforms that have been developed to protect both visitors and the natural environment. Agate Falls is now managed as part of a roadside park by the Michigan Department of Natural Resources. The area has been preserved to maintain its natural character while still allowing public access. Visitors can walk down to the river, explore the rocky shoreline, and take in views of the cascading water from multiple angles. The surrounding forest adds to the experience, with a mix of hardwood and conifer trees that change dramatically with the seasons, especially during the fall when the foliage becomes vibrant with color. Today, Agate Falls stands as a reminder of the Upper Peninsula's natural beauty and its connection to the region's past. While nearby communities have changed over time, the falls continue to flow much as they have for centuries, shaped only by the forces of water and stone. For travelers, it offers a chance to step away from busy destinations and experience a quieter, more rugged side of Michigan, where the landscape itself tells the story.
Thanks for watching!